My name is Shyam Dodavla. I'm part of the Infosys Center for Emerging Technology Solutions. I lead the AI, blockchain, and cybersecurity centers of excellence. And I'm the lead architect of Infosys Leap, the live enterprise application management platform. Today, I'm going to give a quick overview of this particular platform. Today, enterprises operate in a complex environment disrupted by new digital technologies that throw up opportunities and threats from unexpected places. It's therefore important that enterprises be able to sense and respond to these changes quickly and almost instinctively, like the way a living creature would do. This is our vision for Infosys Live Enterprise. Today, I'm going to talk about how we can use Leap, Infosys Leap, to help realize this vision of Live Enterprise by reimagining the application management and IT operations management. Welcome to the Infosys Leap, the Live Enterprise Application Management Platform demo. Infosys Leap provides a platform-centric approach to enterprise application management and IT operations powered by a digital AI brain that plugs into existing IT service management tools and uses the observability and telemetry services to sense the business and IT health. It then uses AI and sentience to predict what can go wrong and makes decisions in terms of what is the next best action. And after that, it automates these actions through cognitive bots, and it keeps learning continuously, thereby making IT operations sentient and helping realize the Live Enterprise vision. Infosys Leap helps our customers achieve 5 key imperatives. So the first one is it provides the best possible experience. Number 2, it helps align operations to business outcomes. Number 3, it brings agility to business. Number 4, it makes operations zero touch. And number 5, it makes operations resilient. Infosys Leap provides 5 solution pathways to help realize these 5 key outcomes. Firstly, it helps make IT operations user experience centric. So it provides processes and tools that help understand the customer journey, identify the friction points if there are any, and helps eliminate them, thereby making IT operations aligned to provide the best possible experience. Infosys Leap helps align the application management and IT operations to business outcomes. So the way it does is, it helps model the complete value chain and monitor the business KPIs, the processes, the applications and infrastructure components supporting them, thereby aligning the operations to the business outcomes. It helps bring business agility and innovation. Infosys Leap helps leverage emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, AR, VR to reimagine the customer experience, the business processes, and even the business models. It provides an experiments platform through which you can quickly do these hackathons and bring these changes fast into production as fast as possible through agile and DevOps processes. It helps make application management and IT operations zero touch. Infosys Leap helps simplify the IT and application landscape. It helps discover repetitive patterns in work drivers like the service requests, the change requests and incidents. And after that, it helps digitize the support processes, and once it is digitized, it then helps automate them using cognitive bots, thereby making operations zero touch. It helps make AMS resilient. It applies site reliability engineering principles to go to the root causes of application failures and eliminate them. It also applies proactive monitoring and make applications self-healing, thereby providing high availability, high performance, and security.